Part 1 mapped the corridor and the build. Searches, sector grids, and a long investigative spine that reached back into the 1990s. By 2024, 7 charges. By 2025, a court calendar shaping a single trial. Now, how evidence becomes words a jury can lawfully hear. Device movement, what it can and can't say. Cell site sectors show approximate device presence. Flight of towers over time can suggest routes. What jurors usually hear. Diagrams of arcs, call timestamps, and side-by-side timeline boards. Defense cross themes. Device is not equal to user. Sector overlap. Urban reflections. Capacity congestion. Alternative carrier logs. Digital artifacts. Careful with context. Artifacts include browser histories, documents, and cloud traces. Prosecution angle. Planning language, sourcing patterns, or how to research that paints intent. Defense angle. Authorship and timestamps. Device sharing. Contamination from sync services. Forensic provenance. Biology, the lightning rod. Exhibits. Hair and microscopic trace. Lab narrative. Collection, sealing, transport, intake, extraction, quant amplification, profile interpretation. Controls matter. Energy/BOS trays. Reagent blanks, contamination alarms. Statistics. Match probabilities are not certainty. Jurors will hear numbers with cautionary language. Suppression motions. Attack collection legality, chain breaks, or lab deviations from SOP. Severance motions. Split older cases from newer ones to reduce prejudice. Judge kept a single trial posture. Daubert/Freestyle hearings. Experts argue method acceptance. STRs, MITO, WGS, probabilistic genotyping. Jury management. Instructions to limit what inferences can be drawn from cell data and mixtures. One offender versus several along a large corridor. Expect debate about signature versus staging, cluster versus coincidence, opportunity versus pattern. Victimology reality. Many victims lived with precarious safety nets, creating documentation gaps that hinder reconstruction. Public psychology. The longer the corridor, the more the public demands a single explanation. Cases resist that demand. Status. Defendant held without bail. Not guilty pleas entered. Why one trial matters. Jurors hear the through line across years. Defense argues prejudice. Court balances probative versus prejudicial value. Next steps. Rolling motions, litigation of DNA scope, digital provenance, and cell site limits. A trial horizon beyond 2025, widely expected in 2026. Host. Measured courts move slower than headlines. Method moves slower than myth. The jury won't hear everything. It will hear admitted evidence under instructions. Expect expert translators. Cell engineers, digital examiners, lab analysts. Expect narrative tension between pattern and proof. Host, quiet maps, hair, arcs, and time, that's the canvas. The state will stitch it. The defense will pull at every seam. Somewhere between those motions and that shore, a jury will decide how loudly the science may speak. M.O.R.T.E.M breakdown. Motive. If single offender is proven, motive looks instrumental, control/opportunity, more than expressive. 6 out of 10. Operations. Repeatable logistics. Contact, transport, conceal. Coastal disposal. Burners. Route familiarity. 9 out of 10. Beach. Years 1993 to 2010 on charged set. Massapequa, Manhattan Arc. Multi-agency, multi-method, single trial. 9 out of 10. Terror impact. Long corridor fear. Families wait through winters. National attention. 10 out of 10. Execution style. Mixed forensic awareness versus residual traces. Hair, device arcs. 8 out of 10. Mindset. Alleged planning/habit formation. Contested in court. out of 10. Final case score 8.3 out of 10.